App crashing because of the MSVCP 110 Windows DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the cause and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To start the walkthrough for MSVCP 110 Windows, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the MSVCP 110 Windows, a System Integrated Visual C++ 2012 runtime module. It provides unmanaged core logic for Windows components, managing the data link for integrated OS feature manifests. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. To ensure the file is correctly registered, reinstall Windows Update, UCRT. You'll need both the x86 and x64 Visual C++ installers from Microsoft's website to complete this repair properly. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including MSVCP 110 Windows, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Replacing MSVCP 110 Windows without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing MSVCP 110 Windows. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for MSVCP 110 Windows today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support